Hello everyone, I am Praveen Kumar from Kannur. I have completed my BTech from JNU Anandapur. I was looking for an opportunity in the IT field and I got to know about eVision Technolab through my friend. Now I am placed in TE and CS software with a package of 2.6 LPA. I would like to thank eVision Technology for giving me this opportunity and supporting my career growth. I joined the organization as a full-time intern under the guidance of faculty members and administrators. During the 45 days internship, I gained knowledge in virtualization, networking, Windows administration, Linux, and CCNA concepts such as subnetting, hubs, switches, and routers. I also learned tools and technologies like VMware, Oracle, Oracle VirtualBox, and basic system administration. Through this learning experience, I improved my technical knowledge and communication skills, which helped me becoming more confident in handling IT support tasks. I am thankful to HR Dipti, the faculty members, and the placement team for their guidance and support and their clear explanation through the training period. Now I feel confident about my skills and ready to grow in my career in the IT industry. Thank you, eVision team and all.